Step 1. Imagine having a special computer program that can help you with your writing. It's like having a very smart and creative assistant. Step 2. To use this program, you give it some information to start with. This information is called a prompt. It's like giving the program a little hint or a question to get it started. Step 3. Once you give the program a prompt, it starts thinking really hard. It looks at all the information it has learned from books, articles, and websites. Step 4. Based on all that information, the program generates a response to your prompt. It's like the program is coming up with an answer or an idea. Step 5. The response the program gives you can be used for many things. You can use it to write stories, poems, or even to find answers to questions you have. Step 6. It's important to remember that while the program is very helpful, it's still just a machine. It doesn't have real thoughts or feelings. So, you should always use your own judgment and creativity when you're writing. Step 7. Prompt engineering is a powerful tool that many people use to be creative and solve problems. It's like having a creative partner who can help you with your writing and ideas.